In today's video, I'm going to show you a cable fly secret for Pectus Excavatum, or just trying to engage your inner chest in general, and just a way to make this more efficient. So most of you probably know the cable fly. If you don't, then you should, because it's a great exercise to build your chest, which is a fundamental thing if you want to overcome your pectus with exercise. But with the cable fly variation, what we're wanting to do is, so we're grabbing the cables, keeping our arms straight, trying to engage our chest with the cable, not our biceps, which a lot of people do. But with the variation, we're going to come down and over. So my right hand's on top here, and I'm holding this squeeze for a second each time. And then I'm coming down, left hand's on top. Right hand's on top, holding the squeeze. So with pectus, we want to hit our inner chest, okay? And so how we do this is we want to adduct. So adduct is adding weight to the midline. So here we're adding weight to our midline. And then we cross over even more and we feel that squeeze, that engagement of the inner chest. So it's a good handy little tip for your flies. I always used to do them like this, which still is good as long as you're holding that squeeze, but you can get even more activation by pulling across and over. Okay, so super simple, easy tip to follow, really effective. Like I already feel that pump just from doing, you know, those 7 reps or something on the camera. So it's a great way to do it. That was from a high position too, high to low, which is going to fill out the lower chest a little bit more. I like to mix up the positions of the pulley, so then you can do them low to high and crossing over as well, and just really feel that pump. Thanks for watching, guys. Links in the description if you're interested in my program, so you can finally fix and overcome your pectus without surgery. I'll see you guys in the next video.